Once again, I'm back, Kosi Charchi. In this video, again, we are going to discuss the same series, stock market or stock exchange or share market, whatever you can say. And here we are going to discuss again a new topic, and that is all about. I think most of people, even they will be very, very interested to know like how exactly, even what way, even I can maintain my portfolio. It's a big question. Nobody knows. I invested some X amount. I'm trying to withdraw even that profit, and I'm just going to reinvest, or maybe let's say I'm just going to additionally some more capital even I'm going to add on my investment. So nobody knows what exactly the portfolio I need to maintain, where I need to invest, what exactly should be my investment pattern. If you have already a, let's say, best even advisor, you have already a consultant, you are getting all those even techniques, you are getting all those advices from them. But what I'm going to share over here with all my 20 plus years experience, even whatever in the banking industry, whatever in the financial industry, even as an analyst, even as a case studies, whatever I have already given a solution to all my even clients, all my even companies, even the individual customers also. So that only I'm just applying and sharing over here, so that any of one or two points even it will be helpful for you. So definitely you are going to be benefited, you are going to make your own money. That is the only even motto I am here, and I'm just making all those videos. So coming back to our discussion, so now, what do I need to make my portfolio? Let's say I want to invest 10 lakhs. So, investment definitely, again, it is your own decision, because you do not know even what exactly your financial situation. Based on that one, you can invest. Somebody will feel 10 lakhs is very high. Somebody will feel somebody will feel 10 lakhs is not that much enough even to invest in the market. So that is all your choice. Somebody will feel 100 crores also it is not so good to invest in the market, or somebody will feel this is a huge amount. So as I told you, this is all your hard-earned money, this is all your own even I mean bank support. Even you can do what you feel good. Based on that one you can start. But yes, ideally already I have made a video on the same. There is no particular amount, there is no even particular, I can say the investment you can't choose. You can choose based on your choice. So that part already we are clear. So now here we are going to discuss how I need to make my portfolio. So investment, let's say I have done already at 10 lakhs. Out of that, what way I need to make my portfolio? So let me tell you first. If you are going to invest, let's say at 10 lakhs, why I'm taking a 10 lakh example? Because it will be quite easy, so that I can at least divide, or I can slice it down even on the five sectors, in five ways, not in the sectors. It will be five ways. So let's say 2 lakhs. Each sectors or each portfolio, let's say I want to invest, let's say around 2 lakhs. So let's say 2 lakhs I want to invest, let's say on an intraday. That will discuss if somebody knows what is intraday. Good, orange will discuss some other video. I'm just trying to, because here my discussion is different, that's what I don't want to jump into the definition of intraday. So I want to invest, let's say 2 lakhs into intraday. Let's say another 2 lakhs I want to invest, let's say in the option category. Let's say another 2 lakhs I want to invest in the SIP. Already have done a mutual fund event series, so you can go, you can watch what exactly SIP. You will get all the details, even videos over there, and then you can come back to this video. So that has already been done. Now let's say fourth, somebody wants to invest, let's say any kind of IPO, or let's say NFO, initial public offer, new fund offer. Again, if somebody already knows, very good, or else somebody is a newcomer, or somebody wants to know more in details about this, so definitely we are going to discuss in some other video. And finally it comes to your commodities. What is commodities? That is all about your, let's say your rice, even any kind of spices, all these things. It is come, and including all these things, even your ETF also. Even ETF means all about your, I mean to say, like your gold, maybe your silver, all those, even let's say even materials you can also say, you can also check. And there is another option, not only even five, even I can say even another one or two option. That is one of option is your, that is your currency, especially typically what you call it a forex. So as you know, different country, even different currency they are going to use, and that all even going to be traded in the market itself. So let's say if you are in India, so that definitely it will be your rupees. Definitely you are in US, definitely it will be your US dollar, or some other country, even let's say you are into Europe countries, there will be pound, there will be euros, a lot of these things even it will be there, and based on that one also you can do the trading. So let's say whatever the five, six, even the portfolio, what I've already even spoken. And if let's say if I want to invest even 10 lakhs, or let's say how I need to maintain. So you're not going to invest even entire 10 lakhs in the intraday, or maybe your option, or maybe let's say your commodities, or let's say in your currency, or let's say in your any kind of NFI. No, you can divide it. If I'm going to invest, let's say my 10 lakhs into five, let's say even portfolios, so I'm going to, let's say each and every portfolio I'm going to, let's say, invest in 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs, like this. I'm going to divide. If it is 20 lakhs, then again it would be like your 4 lakhs in each of the portfolios you can invest. Now, why you need to maintain this? Why this is also indirectly you are going to make a profit. What already we have discussed in the last video, but again you can come back to this video after watching that video, and then you can understand this is some extent even it will be related to your profit, as well as why I need to maintain all this portfolio, why I need to make even such kind of portfolio. Because as I told you, it is all unpredictable. You talk about Indian stock exchange, you talk about any even foreign stock exchange, whatever even exchange you are trading, or wherever you are sitting at moment even across the globe, you have no understanding like what exactly the market even prediction will be done even tomorrow. Complete unpredictable, complete not understandable. It is the thumb rule for everyone, including me. I do understand certain extent you can do your research, certain extent you can take even expert even opinion, but ideally if I look out, there is no debate on the same, but ideally if you look out with my experience 20 plus years, if I look out, so it is actually typically unpredictable. Tomorrow morning how market will open, and how evening market will be closed, so I can't predict. But if I maintain even such a portfolio, so what I'm going to make a profit about the same way. So I'm not investing in one way. My investment part is done for 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever portfolios it is done, it is done. Now any of this portfolio might be going up, any of this portfolio might be going down, so average what I'm going to make, it's profit. Also my risk factor, which is very very important, because how much risk you can take in the stock market, even though it is 10 lakhs, even though it is 10 crores, or maybe 10 million or billion, whatever it is. So how you are going to make that risk? So in this way, if you are going to maintain your portfolio, so definitely you are somewhere you are going to take a greater risk, somewhere you are going to take a lesser risk, or somewhere you are going to take a moderate risk. So typically if you look out everything, it will be average, up, down, medium, or let's say profit, loss, even average return. So everything it will be clubbed together, and you have no panicky situations for your investment. And ideally what I say, even though you are small, even though you are big traders, whatever it is, the intention for each and every single person is how to make money, how to make profit. And this way also, indirectly, you can make your profit. What else you want? Anything more if you want, definitely as we told you. So you can reach out to me on the chat box, you can reach out to me on the mailbox. That is all open for you. When you have your own WhatsApp group also, there also we can discuss. Also, additionally, especially for this series, when anybody wants me to come and discuss even face to face, even live, so I'm ready for any weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Please just inform me if I get all those, I mean, messages in my chat box. So we'll definitely, if let's say this week, if I get something on that request, so let's say next week, even I'll be planning for that, and the timing and this everything it will be decided even before that. So it is for your benefit. No even product, let's say implement, or let's say no kind of service implement. No, I'm only here with my experience to give you some support and some case studies report, so that you can at least be a better, or maybe a best even investor. That's it. Thanks for watching.